Hi guys, welcome to another episode of HTML tutorial with screen readers. Today is Monday and Monday means we are learning HTML. Friends, in the last episode we have learned about bold, italic, underline, and we also learned about quotations and citations. Alright, so today we are going to discuss three important tags of HTML: line break, horizontal rule, and pre-formatted text. Those who know HTML, they can skip this video. Those who are interested to learn HTML, they can watch this video. And also, if you are interested to join our courses, web development course with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and ARIA, don't forget to visit our course page from the about page of our channel and register today. All of our courses are certified by ISO 9001:2015, so you can use our certificate everywhere. So friends, as you can see, a code file is opened on my system, and for the screen reader users, I'm just reading this code file.
Less doc type HTML greater, less HTML greater, less head greater, less title greater, my first HTML page, less slash head, less body greater, less h1 greater, welcome to my first HTML page, less slash lsp greater. In tutorial we are going to learn HTML.less slash p greater. Less p greater, we use simple language so everyone can read and understand our tutorial. Less slash p greater, less h2 greater, introduction to HTML, less slash h2 greater, less p greater. HTML stands for hypertext, less h3.
So here are some h1, h2, h3 tags and some paragraphs we have written. So today we are going to see what is the line break tag and what is the pre-formatted text and what is the horizontal rule. So guys, if you want to support us, you can donate us by using thanks, or you can join our channel directly. Click on the join button to learn more. Without further delay, let's start today's tutorial. As you know, when we are writing HTML, we mention everything using code. For example, let's suppose we want to write a paragraph, we use p tag. If we want to create heading, we use h1, h2, h3, etc. tags, right? So now if you want to create a new line within your HTML text, so how you can create? For that we use line break tag. So line break tag is br tag, break tag. So wherever you want to put a new line, use less br tag. So let's suppose here we can see multiple sentences within one paragraph. Just listen this.
Lang, less p greater. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It allows to create basic web pages. It helps to mark text. HTML is the mother tongue of a browser. Less slash p greater. Lang.
Okay, so now if you want to create a new line, either you can start a new paragraph, but I want to start a new line within the same paragraph. I can easily do it. So let's suppose I'm just taking one heading level 2 here.
H2.
And here I'm just giving a name of this heading. Let's suppose what you need.
What you s u o y you need h2.
Now here I'm
Let's
just writing
p.
I'm just starting a paragraph. Next I'm writing in order to
order write HTML code you need a sign OSPELMIS T. Simple notepad. Dot. Which already comes with Windows. Now let's suppose I want to write another line. Okay, so I want to create another line. So here I am just writing less br greater. Br. Less p greater. In order to write HTML code, you need a simple less p greater. In order to write HTML code space less p greater. In order to write HTML code, you need a simple notepad which already comes with Windows. Less br greater. Blank. Okay, now here I just type the second line. Let's suppose I am typing a you also need any browser to run the HEDOC space L and the output. You also need any browser to run the HTML file and see the output. Okay. So another line I want to add, so just give less br tag at the end
or wherever I want to break the line.
You also need any browser to run the HTML file and see the output.lsbr greater blank.
So another line, let's suppose I am adding
note you do not the R D E E 2 B space O T space E E in connect to R run E A space the H file P.
Then I close this P tag. See.
Less P greater. In order to write HTML code, you need a simple notepad which already comes with Windows.lsbr greater. You also need any browser to run the HTML file and see the output.lsbr greater. Note, you do not require internet connection to run the HTML file.less/p greater.
Okay, so this is why we should use less br tag. Now, next we will discuss about horizontal rule. So you know what is horizontal rule? Those who are familiar with the Braille, you understand, after end of each chapter you can see a horizontal line. So this is the horizontal rule. In website you might have heard or you might have seen that separator is there. So to create a separator we use horizontal rule. Let's suppose first heading 1 and heading 2. Within that we create one separator. So I'm going up.
Less H less P greater we use simple less body greater less P greater we use simple less P greater in tutorial less P greater less H2 greater introduction.
So before this H2, so here I'm just creating one line.
Less P blank less H2 greater blank.
So here I'm just typing less HR greater.
HR.
Then the horizontal line is created.
Less P less HR greater.
Okay. So this is how we can create horizontal line. Now friends, I think you have noticed that less BR greater and less HR greater, these elements have no closing tags. Yes, there are some elements, those who have no closing tags, they are called empty elements. So BR tag and HR tag are empty elements. Now the final tag, which is pre-formatted text of our today's episode, let's discuss that.
Less P less H3 less P greater less blank. Note, you do not require internet connection to run the blank.
Now here I am just creating another heading level 3, not heading level 2. I am creating heading level 3.
H3.
So here I am just giving a simple heading. Okay, let's do it like
grade 3.
Heading level 2.
Less A2 character less char 2 character and element H2 less H blank.
Now we use pre-formatted text. Now what is this pre-formatted text? Sometimes we need to write the text as it is. So for that we need to use pre-formatted text. Okay. So we should start pre-tag less pre and close using less/p greater.
Less pre greater blank less slash pre greater blank less pre greater blank.
Here we should write whatever we want. Now whatever you write within this pre tag, the text size will be small than p tag, which means paragraph, and some font will also change. So we will see while we will see the output. Okay. So here just I am typing
GAT elements SNTMELE element R U to the text tag R U to S the element. Tag elements are used to mark the text.
Okay.
Tags are used to create the element.
So here we don't need to use the less BR tag. If we press enter, a new line will be created. Okay. So we should always use p tag. Okay. If you use p tag, BR is must for new line. But if you use pre tag, BR is not required.
Elements are used. Tags are used to create the element. Blank. Tag blank. E. Element has
Opening. And. A. Closing. Tag.
Okay.
Tag. Each element has an opening tag and a closing tag. Caret dot caret less slash pre greater.
So just I close the pre. So
Caret
these are some examples like how you can create pre tag, br tag and hr tag. Now it's time to see the output. But before seeing the output, like the video, share the video and let me know your opinion into the comment section whether you are liking this playlist or not. So let's go back to the folder.
Ops 3 index.
Press enter on this file.
My first HTML. Heading level 1. Welcome to.
Now I'm going down.
In tutorial we use simple separator space.
So separator we created using hr tag.
Heading level 2 no HTML text. Heading level 2 what you need. In order to write HTML code, you need a simple notepad which already comes with Windows.
Okay.
You also need any browser to run the HTML file and see the output.
This is the example of br tag.
Note, you do not require internet connection to run the HTML file. Heading level 2 tags and elements.
So tags and elements within tags and elements, we can see pre-formatted text.
Elements are used to mark the text.
I'm just checking the font.
Console is 10 pt black on white align left.
And I'm checking the font of paragraph.
Head note, you also need any Times New Roman 12 pt black on white align left.
Now I think you have understood the difference between pre-tag and the paragraph tag. So that's it for the episode. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.